Welcome to another episode of Steemy. In this episode, I'm presenting dMania, the Steam-based platform that allows you to post funny memes and earn Steam with them. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's check out the website. So here we have dmania.lol. Check out the URL. It's actually pretty lol. I love that. That's fantastic. All right. Basically, the entire website is very simple and straightforward. You have one single column of posts, and all posts are basically images, animated GIFs, and even videos. And all of that is basically meant to entertain and to be funny and to be cool. So you are even allowed to share memes that you haven't created yourself. And that's very important. You are allowed to share memes from other people. This was particularly announced from the dMania founder in the latest dMania post on Steemit. And what's really cool about this is that they have been delegated a substantial amount of money from other Steemians. Currently, they have about 600,000 Steam power, and they use that to upvote some of your posts. So that's amazing. All right, yeah, that's actually pretty much it. There's not much more to say about this, so let's check out one of these posts here. When you click on it, you see it loads a post layout where you see the image in big with an upvote button. Let's try this upvote button out. You have your voting power up here, and you have this slider where you can change the power. You have to log in first by using the login button, and then you will connect with Steem Connect, the secure connection system from the busy.org founders. So make sure that you do that first, and when you're logged in, then you can adjust the slider here. So let me put that here on 5%, for example, which is a total worth of 20 cents in Steem. And when I click the button now, check out the cool animation that they do here. So let's do this. Click, then it takes a second, and then it counts up. There it is. So there the numbers are ticking up. So that's pretty cool, sleek animation there. I like that a lot. And yeah, upvote. So that's pretty funny. And you see there the text here below. It was created by Diana1, or at least posted by her. You have the social media shares, which I find a little bit distracting, because who wants to do anything on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, or Pinterest these days? And you have the chosen ones. So these people are now getting part of the beneficiary rewards. Everything you post on dMania will share 15% with the sponsors. So here are the sponsors that have been chosen for this post, which is Freedom, Lafona Miner, and Med1973. And there's more information about this when you click on the exclamation mark there, and you see there's the 15% of the rewards of every post are distributed among dMania supporters. So if you are delegating to dMania, you are receiving 15% of all the payouts. Well, it's the same with Utopian. You're not directly receiving 15% yourself, but you are being in the pool of all post payouts, and your percentage of all sponsor delegations will get you your share of the 15% that are being paid out. So for example, Zombie here is the creator of dMania, and Zombie has delegated 5,000 Steam power, which is a total of 4.2% of the entire delegated Steam power to that account currently, and has him already created a substantial amount of money here. As you can see, 160 are pending and $109 he already received. So that's pretty cool and makes it much more interesting to delegate your Steem power to this project. In total, there have been already over $6,000 in Steem paid out. $13,000 are pending, which is much more than the total so far, but that's because they have just received these big delegations here from Mr. Delegation, 500,000 Steem power, coming to a total of 600 now, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, so that's the dMania system. Let's have a look now how it looks when you create your own meme and upload it to the website. If you are now checking your post on steemit.com, you can see that it has been added this dMania button that leads you to the official dMania.lol website. And you can then start editing your post and add more information to it. But beware, if you do so, your post will not be accepted by dMania anymore for whatever reason that I totally don't understand, makes no sense to me whatsoever. You can edit all your posts from Steepshot, from DTube, from Utopian, and they are not being disconnected from those platforms either. But if you do so on dMania, with a dMania post on Steemit, then it will not appear on your profile anymore. So when we go back here and when we look now at my post profile, you see I have not posted any posts, so it's completely empty, which is totally confusing and not really cool because I created this post particularly for dMania and I cannot do anything about this. So this is completely ridiculous. Yeah, something that I find very, very disturbing. However, this is how it works. Just be sure that you know about that. And besides that, the other functions of the website are the same that you know from Steemit. You have hot and trending and new tabs, and that's basically it. You have your own profile, which you see here right now. You can access your Steem wallet, which is then being directed you to directly to Steemit. And yeah, you have your settings on Steemit. This is the support dMania, is where you can delegate, and you have an FAQ page which is explaining how the entire page works and what this is all about. Alright, dMania, I hope you liked it, and I talk to you very soon.